Most people hit 40 and believe energy loss, stiff joints, and brain fog are just part of aging. Wrong. They're part of ignoring your mornings. In just 5 minutes every morning, you can rebuild the foundation for stronger muscles, faster metabolism, sharper thinking, and a better life. Today, I'll show you exactly how. 1. Why mornings matter more after 40. At 40, your body shifts. Hormone production slows. Muscle loss accelerates. Recovery takes longer. Your morning is your launch pad or your downfall. A chaotic start triggers cortisol spikes, blood sugar crashes, and inflammation. A focused start sets your body to rebuild stronger, leaner, sharper every day. 2. Step 1. Breathe deep for 1 minute. Start by controlling your breath. 1 minute of deep diaphragmatic breathing resets cortisol, lowers blood pressure, and increases blood oxygen. No apps. No yoga mats. Sit. Close your eyes. Breathe in for 5 seconds. Hold for 5 seconds. Exhale for 7 seconds. Repeat. In 1 minute, you've turned off fight or flight and turned on rebuild mode. 3. Step 2. Light mobility for 2 minutes. Your joints and fascia need movement, not pounding. In 2 minutes, roll your shoulders, twist your spine, circle your hips, stretch your calves. This mobility primes your body for daily action, boosts blood flow, and prevents injury. Think of it as lubricating the engine before hitting the road. 4. Step 3. Power posture and sunlight exposure, 30 seconds. Posture isn't vanity. It's chemistry. Standing tall naturally boosts testosterone and serotonin while dropping cortisol. Stand tall, chin up, open chest, and if you can, step outside for 30 seconds of real sunlight, even through clouds. This triggers circadian rhythm resets and vitamin D activation. 5. Step 4. 10 push-ups or air squats, 30 seconds. Motion creates emotion. Quick bursts of strength movement activate growth hormone, fire up your metabolism, and sharpen your brain. No equipment needed. Do 10 controlled push-ups or air squats. Modify if needed, just move with intention. 6. The science behind why this works. Why does this tiny routine matter? Because it stacks positive triggers. Deep breathing triggers parasympathetic recovery. Mobility lubricates joints, reduces inflammation. Posture and sunlight regulate hormones. Quick exercise spikes metabolism and brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, your brain's growth fertilizer. 7. Common morning mistakes after 40. Skip mornings and you stack disease. Grabbing coffee before water. Skipping movement. Sitting hunched over emails immediately. Staying indoors all morning. These mistakes accelerate aging, and every day you repeat them, the cost compounds. 8. Bonus tips to supercharge your morning routine. 1 extra credit? Drink 500 milliliters water with lemon before coffee. Add 1-minute gratitude journaling. Light bodyweight circuit if time allows. No social media until after breakfast. Small habits that pay huge dividends over years. 9. Final motivation and call to action. You don't need an hour-long perfect morning. You need 5 minutes of commitment. Stack wins early, and the rest of the day falls into place. You're not too busy. You're not too old. You're not too late. Start tomorrow morning. Rebuild from the first breath.